hidden truth. Are you blocking your own blessings? What if I told you that the very thing you've been praying for might be within your reach, but something you're doing, or not doing, could be standing in the way? It's a truth many overlook, but one that could change everything for you. If you've ever felt like your dreams are just out of reach, it's time to take a closer look at the power you hold, especially the power of your words. If you believe, even a little, that there's a universal force listening to your every word and shaping your reality, then this is something you need to hear. Stay with me, because together, we're about to uncover a truth that could transform your life. Today, I'm sharing a little-known technique, one that has the potential to unlock abundance in ways you might not have imagined. But here's the catch: this isn't for everyone. Only those who are truly ready, those chosen by the universe, will be able to fully absorb this message. If you find yourself distracted by a phone call, a visitor, or anything else, don't worry. Simply return to this video later and pick up where you left off. The universe works in mysterious ways, and timing is everything. This isn't just any technique. We're diving into the power of a single word, a word rooted in one of the most ancient and spiritually significant languages, Aramaic. This word has the ability to align your energy with the vibration of abundance, opening doors you didn't even know existed. But before we reveal this life-changing secret, take a moment to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with someone who needs this message, comment below with a word of gratitude to the universe. When you do this, you're not just spreading positivity, you're activating a cycle of energy that brings your desires back to you. Now, let's begin. The ancient power of Aramaic. Aramaic is one of the oldest languages in the world, deeply connected to spiritual traditions and ancient wisdom. It was spoken during the time of Jesus and is believed to carry a unique vibrational frequency, one that resonates with the energies of the universe. This isn't just a language, it's a key to unlocking higher states of consciousness and manifestation. Words in Aramaic are more than just sounds. They're vibrations that can influence the physical world in profound ways. When you speak an Aramaic word with intention, you're not just making noise, you're releasing a wave of energy that aligns with your desires. And that's where the magic happens. The power of words. You've probably heard that words have power, but do you truly understand what that means? Words are energetic seeds. They carry vibrations that shape your reality. This is the foundation of the law of attraction. Everything in the universe vibrates, including your thoughts, emotions, and words. Aramaic words, in particular, carry a pure, high-frequency vibration. When you speak them, you're tapping into an ancient energy that can help you manifest your desires. But here's the key: it's not just about saying the word. It's about the intention and emotion behind it. The secret to aligning with abundance. If everything in the universe is energy, then your words, thoughts, and feelings are energy too. What you say creates ripples in the energy around you, shaping your experiences. To attract wealth, you need to align your vibration with the frequency of abundance. And that's where this Aramaic word comes in. This word acts as a frequency tuner, aligning your energy with the universal flow of prosperity. But to make it work, you need to do more than just say it. You need to believe it, and you need to visualize your life as if your desires have already been fulfilled. The word that can change everything. Are you ready? The word is SCHL. You might have heard this word before, often translated as peace. But its power goes far beyond its literal meaning. When spoken with intention, SCHL aligns your vibration with the energy of abundance and harmony. It's like a code that unlocks the flow of prosperity in your life. Here's how to use it. 1. Visualize your desires. Imagine yourself living in abundance, free from financial stress. Feel the emotions of having everything you want. 2. Speak with intention. Say SCHL, pronounced as shul, with conviction and emotion. Let the vibration of the word resonate within you. 3. Repeat consistently. Repetition is key. Use SCHL daily, during meditation, before bed, or whenever you need to realign your energy. You can even write SCHL on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow. As you sleep, your subconscious mind will absorb its vibration, helping you align with abundance on a deeper level. Why consistency matters. Manifestation isn't a one-time event, it's a practice. The more you repeat SCHL with intention, the stronger your connection to the frequency of abundance becomes. Over time, you'll start to notice shifts in your life, new opportunities, unexpected gains, and a mindset that attracts wealth effortlessly. This isn't just about material wealth, it's about transforming your relationship with abundance. When you align with the vibration of SCHL, you stop seeing money as scarce and start seeing it as a natural, flowing energy in your life. Your next steps. If you're ready to take this journey, commit to using SCHL for the next 21 days. Notice the changes in your mindset, your opportunities, and your life. Manifestation works in mysterious ways, so stay open to the possibilities. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more transformative teachings. Like this video to spread the energy of abundance. Share it with someone who needs this message. Comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Thank you for being here. Together, we're creating a ripple effect of gratitude and abundance. And remember, the universe is always listening. Speak wisely and watch your reality transform.